When we're customizing a system, we customize from the sides and back. We don't customize the front.
They was great. There is actually what I was expecting. We receive a lot of information from both of them.
So we'll go all the way to the back.
There's not a lot of places that teach physical, hands-on, and learning and cutting, all of the bonding and all of that stuff. So definitely for the hands-on rather than just virtual.
Well, this course is going to be a key component in the rest of my hair game career.
Just so when you're drawing the highlights, they're not back to back to back where like it's a solid skunk line.
It was really good, very informative. It's exactly what I signed up for.
I think that dealing with men that have hair loss, it can be a little bit hard to deal with. So I think having this system for them is going to give them confidence and make them feel really great about themselves going through something as hard as that.